How to make a crew in Blox Fruits. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a crew in Blox Fruits. So first of all, you need to choose a pirate option. Then navigate to the left side and click on the skull and the sword icon. Enter a name for your crew in the name box. Next, you will need to add a logo. Go to the Roblox website and sign in. Click on the create at the top, and if you're not taken to the creator hub, click on create button again, or you can go to create.roblox.com. Once there, select store from the top menu and then click on images. Use the search box to find an image for your logo. You can also click on the icon next to browse images to apply filters if you prefer. And after you find a suitable logo, click on it. You can click on the Get Detail button on the side, but this step is optional. Now go to the address bar at the top of your browser, highlight the text, right-click, and next select Copy, or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Return to the Blox Fruits and then click on Logo Link box. Paste the decal link by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V on the Mac, and press Enter, and the image should appear in the logo box on the side. Finally, click on Create button to finalize your crew, but remember that you must be at least level 300. Now you know how to create a crew in Blox Fruits, so if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.